Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be organizing my ColourPop single eyeshadows. I have a ton of their single shadows, their single glitters, and I just kind of wanted to put together my own palette, especially with the new eyeshadows that I got. So here we have the She's a Rainbow palette that just came in this random empty palette, so I decided that I was going to organize it back into my new Kathleen Lights one because I think a rainbow palette suits that way more than the other one, and I just wanted to change it, so I did. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I just took the shades from the She's a Rainbow palette and put them all in the same order into the Kathleen Lights empty palette because it's just so much more pretty in my opinion. I just want to say too, the quality of ColourPop single shadows for the price is amazing. They're affordable and they're honestly one of the best formulas out there, so I highly recommend them. I also recommend the She's a Rainbow palette because it comes with basically the colors of the rainbow. It's so pretty and I think that all the shades work together really well and the quality is there. It's just overall a good palette and it's also affordable, and you also save money by just buying the palette instead of like doing it yourself, so I would recommend it personally. Kathleen Lights empty palette is so much more beautiful with these shadows, I feel, so I'm very happy about this combination, and I just think that it looks way better than the brown empty palette. Y'all know I'm biased because I love ColourPop and I love the color purple, so of course I needed it. Now I have this palette which I just got. It has basically all of the new ColourPop single shadows, and I'm currently putting together a palette to sell because I do not want these shades, so that is why I'm putting them into the like brown palette because I don't want that either. My friend said that she'd like them, so I'm just gonna give them to her, I guess. And then obviously my cat is in the background, but I want to organize all of the other single shadows I have that I want to keep, and I want to organize them into the big butterfly palette. As you guys can see, I already have a mini purple palette going on, but I wanted to put all my new ones into a bigger palette, even though I know I won't use it as much because it's in a bigger palette, but we'll deal with it. I basically just started going through every color and swatching them and figuring out which ones I wanted to keep and like what order I wanted to put them in. It actually was quite a process because I just do not know what I'm doing half the time. And I mean, honestly, I was getting distracted by my cat being so cute, so. Organizing this bigger palette is no joke. I was trying to be like, okay, like the lighter shades in the top and then go down row by row, but then I was like unable to figure out where I wanted to put the glitter shades, and I didn't want the glitters to be all next to each other. It was just kind of a mess, and I was just kind of trying a few different combinations until I found what was right for me, and literally I didn't even know what I was doing half the time. I mean, even now with the finished product, I'm not overly satisfied by it, but it's still okay. I couldn't decide what glitter I wanted to put in there, but I finally figured out the glitter combination that I wanted, and that is how we got that palette. The other palette basically just holds the glitter shades, and then this mini palette, I liked the combination of it already, so I didn't want to add anything else. Here we have the leftover glitter palette, which just has a few shades. Then we have my mini purple palette, which I personally adore. I love the pink and purple shades in it. And then in the big palette, this is the big reveal. This is what my palette looks like. I'm happy with it. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think it's pretty okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Really? Oh, you're that stubborn. Wow, you guys really don't like each other.
You guys be good. You girls be good. Yeah, just be good. She's having a nap. If you want a nap, you can nap.
Yeah, your sister's there. I know you don't like it. I know. Huh? Okay. I'll just close that then. There. You walk wherever you want now.